Oh, that's satisfying.
Hello everyone. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, as you should have already seen, I haven't actually gotten into it yet, but I have taken off these. They are just the seals, but I wanted to show it just to show that this is actually the first time I've unboxed it. So this is the newest watch from Samsung. I had the Samsung Frontier 3 and the Samsung, I believe it's the Watch 4 that I'm wearing on my wrist right now, and I'll take it off in a second. But the screen cracked. I was walking and kind of smashed my wrist off the counter, and I thought, you know what, that makes it not so waterproof, and it's a good excuse to get a new one. So this is the newest, the best of the best. I'm not going to go over tech specs because you can just look them up, but it's one of the best watches on the market right now. So this is the box, just a plain black, really nice styling. It does come with the orange band. I also got another one I'm going to show you in a second, but as we go here, so when we pop it open, nice Samsung Watch Ultra, you do get, okay, so here is the actual, yeah, see there's the orange band. Here's the actual watch itself. And I gotta be honest, it looks awesome. I wasn't sure how I felt about the square styling, and from what every video I've seen, there's no bezel like there is on mine or my other two, but this is it. Now, I have not pulled the seals off of these, and I thought they're gonna be pull tabs. So, open these up. There we go. Let's see this bad boy here. Oh, that's nice. That is big. Look at next to mine. It is much bigger. It's beefier. Wow. I'll just put this over here. The build quality on it. You've got your 3 buttons and your dial here. Your new sensor. Now, I have heard that it'll detect new things like sleep apnea, and it's got a whole bunch of new features that I'll go over maybe in another video. But this is just an unboxing, so this is just to show you it. But wow, look how beautiful that thing is. Cool. Now, this strap in here, this should be the orange strap, because I believe it comes with the orange strap. I'll rip the box open there. And these are a new strap style that comes with this new click system. I haven't used it, but from what I've heard, it literally just clicks in, and that's it. And that is it. It's very interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but now here, I'll show you my other two, just to kind of get a good contrast of them. So this, take that off, is the Watch 4. And here is the Frontier 3. So you can very clearly see it's big. It's very big. And I'm okay with it. I also got, just because I kind of wanted some different style other than just orange. This is the, I believe they call it marine strap. It's just a green strap, kind of army looking. I liked it, so went with it. But there we go. Now, when you order the Samsung Watch Ultra, you get 3 things. You get the wireless charger, you get the orange band, and you get the actual watch itself. What you don't get is the extra band. I ordered that specifically. Like I said earlier, I really like the green. I was debating between gray and green, and that one kind of really caught my eye, so I decided to go for it. There are a wide variety of bands available. I would almost check out the third-party ones though, because they are quite expensive. So that, really quickly, was the Samsung Watch Ultra unboxing. Like I said, I liked on this one that it had the bezel, and this one had the bezel. I'm hoping this one, maybe, I know it has a digital bezel. Maybe in future iterations it'll have an actual bezel, hopefully. But I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see how it goes. For now, like I said, just looking at it, it's beautiful. But yeah, anyways, that was the Samsung Watch Ultra unboxing. If you're watching this, I'm assuming you like it, so thank you very much for having a quick watch. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and comment below, because I'd love to hear back from you. Thanks.